One thing I like to do, especially if you're not a morning person, and I am very much not a morning person, is when I get to the hotel, one of the first things I do, I try to make my morning easy on myself. How do I do that? One of the things I do is make it easy to take a shower the next day. So one thing, it's just removing a couple of steps from your morning so you can have an easier, faster morning, especially if you sleep in and you're getting a little too close to checkout time. So what I like to do, I find the shampoo and conditioner, and there we have the conditioner and conditioning shampoo, something like that, and I will go and put it in the ledge inside the shower. I'll also find the bath soap, and I'll go ahead and open that up, get the bath soap out, and put that on the ledge or the soap tray as well. That way I'm not having to do that in the morning when I've just woken up and maybe I'm in a bit of a rush. Another thing that can help is I often take this towel here that's usually by the tub. This is meant to be placed in front of the tub to help dry your feet and, collect water from your shower. And so I put that down right away. So it's there for me in the morning. And also these floors, these tile floors, depending on your hotel, can get very cold. So in the middle of the night, you need to come use the bathroom. You've now got this cloth down here, this towel that you can now walk on in your bare feet when you're using the toilet or whatever, as well as in the morning, getting in and out of the shower. So it's a little thing, but a little bit of preparation can really make your morning go smoother and start your day off on the right foot. So if you found this video helpful at all, please let us know by giving it a like down below. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. We've got tons of tip videos like this, and we'll show you how to travel more and travel more cheaply so you can go more often.